ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எம்சிக்யூ கிளாஸ் 5 வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். A client has dementia of the Alzheimer's type and confabulates. The nurse understands that this client, option A, denies confusion by being jovial. Option B, fills in memory gaps with fantasy. Option C, rationalize various behaviors. Option D, pretends to be someone else. Answer: option B, fills in memory gaps with fantasy. Second question. Dysphomania is related. Option A, compulsion to drink alcohol. Option B, compulsion to have sex. Option C, compulsion to smoking. Option D, impulsive stealing. Answer: option A, compulsion to drink alcohol. Third question. Drug having very narrow therapeutic range is. Option A, Dothian. Option B, sertraline. Option C, lithium. Option D, robocytin. Answer: option C, lithium. Fourth question. The following are recognized infectious cause of eosinophilia except. Option A, filariasis. Option B, malaria. Option C, Ascarias lumbricoides. Option D, strong glylodiosis. Answer: option B, malaria. Fifth question. In Addison's crisis, the following is seen. Option A, hypernatremia. Option B, hyperkalemia. Option C, hyperglycemia. Option D, hypertension. Answer: option B, hyperkalemia. Sixth question. The elbow is dashed to the wrist. Option A, proximal. Option B, anterior. Option C, posterior. Option D, distal. Answer: option A, proximal. Seventh question. Which of the following artery supplies blood to the eyes? Option A, left arc. Option B, right subclavian artery. Option C, internal carotid artery. Option D, external carotid artery. Answer: option C, internal carotid artery. Eighth question. The terminal portion of the large intestine is. Option A, rectum. Option B, ileum. Option C, colon. Option D, duodenum. Answer: option A, rectum. Ninth question. Feed given to the infant in the absence of breastfeeding is called as. Option A, weaning. Option B, supplementary feeding. Option C, artificial food. Option D, all of the above. Answer: option C, artificial food. 10th question. Glossitis is due to the deficiency of. Option A, vitamin B12. Option B, riboflavin. Option C, thiamine. Option D, niacin. Answer: option A, vitamin B12. 11th question. The extra energy allowance needed per day during pregnancy is. Option A, 150 kilocalorie. Option B, 200 kilocalorie. Option C, 300 kilocalorie. Option D, 550 kilocalorie. Answer: option C, 300 kilocalorie. 12th question. Delusion is a disorder of. Option A, memory. Option B, judgment. Option C, thought. Option D, perception. Answer: option C, thought. 13th question. Identify the image. Option A, pelvic retractor. Option B, chest retractor. Option C, abdominal retractor. Option D, scalp retractor. Answer option B, chest retractor. 14th question. Which type of the bone is painless? Option A, first degree. Option B, second degree. Option C, third degree. Option D, none of the above. Answer option C, third degree. 15th question. Identify the image. Option A, dual lung holding forceps. Option B, green Armitage forceps. Option C, Kocher's forceps. Option D, triangle forceps. Answer option A, dual lung holding forceps. 16th question. The nurse is conducting health screening for osteoporosis. Which client is at greatest risk of developing this problem? Option A, a 25 years old client who runs. Option B, a 36 years old client who has asthma. Option C, a 70 years old client who consumes excess alcohol. Option D, a sedentary 65 years old client who smokes cigarette. Answer option D, a sedentary 65 years old client who smokes cigarettes. 17th question. Sleeping pulse rate is classically increased in option A, hypothyroidism. Option B, hypoparathyroidism. Option C, hyperparathyroidism. Option D, hyperthyroidism. Answer option D, hyperthyroidism. 18th question. Main clinical feature of hyperthyroidism. Option A, menorrhagia. Option B, dry brittle hair. Option C, cold sensitivity. Option D, diaphoresis. Answer option D, diaphoresis. 19th question. In newborn hearing assessment test done is option A, BERA, brainstem evoked response audiometry. Option B, bone conduction test. Option C, audiometer test. Option D, tuning fork test. Answer option A, BERA. Final question. Maternal mortality ratio is expressed as option A, per 1000 population. Option B, per 1000 live birth. Option C, per 1 lakh live birth. Option D, per 1 lakh birth. Answer option C, per 1 lakh live birth.
Friends, இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.